Good day to all my P.2 students. How are you today? Well, it's great that you are all fine. Now, welcome to Teacher JV's video clip presentation today because we are going to tackle another lesson. So, let's go and let me share to you the learnings that we are going to learn for today. Perfect. Welcome to the class with Teacher JV, and our language focus for today will be, what can he or she do? The answer will be, he or she can. So before we are going to tackle with this language focus and before we are going to apply this language focus, let me review you first the vocabulary that we are going to use for this language focus.
Page 24. Let's learn. A. Learn the words. Number 1.
Ride a pony.
Number 2.
Play the piano.
Number 3.
Do a magic trick.
Number 4.
Play hopscotch.
Number 5.
Play with a yo-yo.
Number 6.
Do a cartwheel.
Number 7.
Do a somersault.
Number 8.
Jump rope.
Okay, number 1, we have ride a pony. Everybody, say it again, please. Perfect. Number 2, play the piano. Perfect. Number 3, do a magic trick. Very good. Play hopscotch. Play with a yo-yo. Do a cartwheel. Do a somersault. Jump rope. Very good. So now, let's begin to use our language focus for this clip. Our language focus is, again, what can he or she do? When we say he, meaning we are referring to a female or a boy one. When we use she, meaning we're referring to a girl one. Okay? Perfect. So let's go and proceed with our first picture for our language focus. Now look at that. They are watching with the boy playing. Now, what will be the sentences of this picture? First one, what can blank do? This boy is asking, what can blank do? Blank, what are we going to use? He or she? Perfect. He. So what can he do? Can you give me an answer? What do you think is this boy doing? Well, blank can blank. Oops. Since that what can he do, then our sentence or the answer will be he. Since we're referring to this boy, so we say he can play hopscotch. All right, everybody say, he can play hopscotch. Very good. Now, we are going to read it slowly. Here we go. What can he do? Very good. He can play hopscotch. Perfect. Now I want you to read it by yourself. Start here. And the answer? Very good. Now let's proceed with our next picture. Here they are again. Now, they're talking about another person. So what do you think, or what will be the sentence or the question? What can blank do? So earlier we used he. How about at this time? What are we going to use? Perfect. We are going to use she because she is a girl. So what can she do? All right. So what will be the answer? What will be the first word here? Perfect. She can. What do you think? What do you think is she doing? Very good. She can play with a yo-yo. Everybody, she can play with a yo-yo. Perfect. Now let's read this one slowly. Everybody begins here. What can she do? She can play with a yo-yo. Wow, very good. Now I want you to read it by yourself. Perfect. Now let's proceed with our next picture. Let's have this one. What do you think and who do you think is performing? And who do you think is asking the question? Now suppose this young boy is talking to you. Okay? So he's going to ask you about the thing or about a certain thing that this girl is doing. Now, let's begin here. What can he or she? Very good. She do. So what can she do? The boy is asking you, what can she do? What will be the answer? Perfect. Let's have she is the first word. Can, what do you think? Perfect. She can do a cartwheel. Very good. Now let's read this one slowly. What can she do? She can do a cartwheel. Now, I want you to read it by yourself. Let's start here. Very good. Now, let's proceed with our next picture. All right. How about this one? What do you think and who do you think is the one doing something? And who do you think is the ones going to ask you a question? Very good. This one is doing something here. And this girl will be the one to ask you something about this boy. Now, the question will be, what can he or she? Very good. He do. Now, what can he do? What will be the answer? All right, so he can. What will be it? All right, he can do a somersault. Again, he can do a somersault. All right, so let's read this one and say it very slowly. What can he do? He can do a somersault. Perfect. Now I want you guys to read it and say it by yourself. Very good. Now let's proceed with our last example. All right. How about this one? Which one is doing something? All right. So this boy. Now, who will be the one to ask it? Very good. This girl. Now, the question will be, what can blank do? He or she. Perfect. Since that we're referring to this boy, then the answer on that blank will be he. So what can he do? What do you think the answer? Perfect. Blank can, well, he or she, he. So he can, very good, ride a pony. Everybody, he can ride a pony. Very good. Now let's read this one very slowly. What can he do? He can ride a pony. Very good. Now I want you guys to say it by yourself. Begin here. Perfect. So what can he do? Perfect. Now, let's review them all again. Let's review them again. What can he do? What will be the answer? He can play hopscotch. Everybody, what can he do? Very good. Next one. What can she do? What will be the answer? She can play with a yo-yo. Everybody, again, what can she do? Very good. Now, let's have this picture. What can she do? What will be the answer? She can do a cartwheel. Now, everybody, what can she do? All right, let's have next picture. What can he do? What will be the answer? He can do a somersault. Very good. So again, what can he do? Perfect. Now let's have this last one. What can he do? What will be the answer? He can ride a pony. Very good. Again, what can he do? Perfect. Good job. So this will be the end of our class. So thank you guys for watching Teacher JV's video clip presentation for today. I hope that you've learned something from it, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye-bye.